अरे इमरान हाशमी है तो किस सीन तो होगा और लव सीक्वेंस तो होगा. वेरी बाबा, he's Bombay boy and my God, he's very very witty. Oh my coffee and I shall kick some serious ass. डांस करना है, ओके ग्रेट, डांस करके दिखाती हूँ. ये करना है, ये करके दिखाती हूँ. I'm doing the गजगामिनी walk. दितांग दितांग दिंग धाग दिन दिन ता. मम्मी, are you selling bananas or what? It's a snake. हाँ बेटा, हाँ बोल, ये वो, हाँ बेटा, हाँ. अरे ये कौन है भाई? ये कौन है मदर डॉन?
It's only the start of 2026 and we're already talking about two shows that everyone has binge watched and a lot of talent that we've just like explored and want to explore more. So let's welcome Amrita Khanvilkar.
Hi Alice.
Hi.
Hi.
How are we doing today?
Very, very well. Wow, just like you said, that 2026 started with a bang, and what a bang. I mean, Taskari's become #1 globally trending web series on Netflix, and it's amazing how people have just been messaging and complimenting and commenting, and just even in casting directors have been getting so many calls just to congratulate me. So it's been a great start to the year.
Absolutely, and touch wood to that. Honestly.
Touch wood.
But like I said, there's a talent that, we are waiting to explore more.
Yeah.
Because with Amrita, we've seen like, she can do A, B, C. And, we thought like, this is her genre. She's going to do all of this. But you're like, hold on, just hold my coffee. Okay?
Hold my coffee and I shall kick some serious ass.
Exactly. So tell me when Taskari came to you, okay? How did it happen first of all?
Okay, so we shot the web series 2025 in the first quarter or something. And I received a call from Vicky Sadana, who's the casting director for Taskari. And he was like, hey, Amrita, you know what? Neeraj Pandey office में एक meeting है, तो आप आ जाओगे क्या? मैंने कहा, okay, ठीक है. And I actually went there for a 4 to 5 day role.
Acha.
And I don't know what happened. Raghav sir was like, you know what? Just audition for this also.
Okay.
And I was like, yeah, sure. And that role was Mithali Kamat.
Okay.
So by the time I was getting into changes and stuff like that, he was like, just do this scene for us. And I did the scene. And he was like, we want to offer you a little meteor role. It's of this character called as Mithali Kamat. तब तक मुझे कुछ पता नहीं था क्या series है, कौन है, वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. And then I was like, okay, I did the audition. Then I went home, and then the other day I was in Pune for some work and all. Then they called me. Vicky was like, listen, do you do action? I was like, see, I'm a dancer. You send me a choreography, I can do it. So he's like, no, we actually want to see somebody do action. I was like, wait, I will do one thing. So I was in Pune, और पुणे में ना, there's this culture of मर्दानी खेळ म्हणतो आपण त्याला. So which is like a lot of, these women in Nawaris doing these lathi tricks and then sword and this and that. So I knew somebody in Pune. I called that person up. I was like, listen, tomorrow morning, 6 a.m., just meet me, teach me a few tricks, and I want to do like a little bit hand combat and everything, and I want to shoot it and give it to somebody. तो सुबह 6 से 7 बजे तक मैंने वो कोरियोग्राफी सीख लिया, and I shot it and I sent it to Vicky and Raghav sir, and they liked it. They were like, यार लड़की पंच बहुत अच्छा मारती है, ठीक है, let's get you on board. And that is how I got Taskari Mithali Kamat.
You're telling me you learned that for like 1 hour in the morning you learned it and you auditioned. Wow.
Yeah.
You're like this dhamaka.
Yeah, I mean, what to do? I mean, if people want to see, या तो आप मेरा audition ले लो कि जिसमें I can show you what I can do.
Yeah.
या तो you shoot it and you send it across.
Exactly.
It's as simple as that. Yeah.
Kudos to you for doing that. Okay. But tell me your first meeting with Neeraj sir.
So I, again with Neeraj sir, I had to do this scene. Now that scene is actually there in the series where, वो एक जो मेरा जूनियर है, उसको मैं समझाती हूँ कि what are those terms? केके क्या होता है और पीके क्या होता है, क्या लेंगे, क्या कहेंगे, वगैरह वगैरह. So मैं उसको समझा रही हूँ. So there was this सहमा हुआ लड़का who was in front of me and I was like, हाँ चल, तो फिर क्या समझा तेरे को कि केके क्या होता है? मैडम केके क्या होता है? देख भाई, कितना लेना है, क्या करना है, केके समझ में आया. So I did that audition in front of Neeraj sir and he was like, very zesty, I like it, let's do this.
Oh,
And that is my first meeting with him, and that was my first audition with him.
wow.
Yeah.
From for an actor to get that immediately after the
Yeah,
audition is quite a
yeah,
big
yeah. I
thing.
mean, you have to be on your toes. I mean,
Yeah.
see, you have to read the room. I mean, when you are in the office, when they're auditioning you, when they're throwing stuff at you, you know, ye line karwa ke, ye scene karo, wo scene karo, ye karo, wo karo. Then you have to be there 100%. I think
100%.
that shows the commitment of an actor. That shows, you know, what you bring to the table, and I think that
Yeah.
is very important.
I think it's a very well-made observation because a lot of people think कि मतलब actors का काम ही है कि बस line को you know रट्टा मारो and then वो perform करो. But this whole usage of presence of mind, you know, kind of figuring out people's you know expressions and
Exactly.
everything is also very
Of course,
important.
of course it is, of course. And as an actor, you have to go that extra mile.
Yeah.
And this is not just for this project that I've done. There are few projects in Marathi that have done this. I have done photo shoots even before the director has asked me to do anything, and I've submitted those things. Now, what happens is sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't get it. But you know, to be at it consistently is something that, you know, that extra mile that you go, it really pays off, is what I feel.
Of course,
Yeah.
of course. Has it been an audition where you've really put in your 100% and you know you couldn't believe the way it's translated and you've like this is like your dream role that you've gotten?
I think that kind of dream role has still is still to come. I feel it's because whatever I think I've done till today has always kind of generated work for me. Be it a photo shoot or like this action sequence that I did. I think it has always generated work. But then every time I think every interview I say this, that I'm manifesting to work with Sanjay Leela Bansali sir, and whenever he calls me or I get a call from his office, I'm going to be like all ready. डांस करना है, okay, great, डांस करके दिखाती हूँ, ये करना है, ये करके दिखाती हूँ, you know. So I'm really manifesting that happens with me. Yeah.
If you had to go for this audition, okay, what if he tells you just come meet me?
Yeah.
And you wanted to be like, you know, I will do this meeting come audition. Who would you dress up like, and what is a scene that you would want to recreate in front of him?
I think what he really likes, whatever scenes and films I've seen, he really likes his women on screen to be fearless, to be able to take, you know, whatever is thrown at them. And I think I would be that. I would, and yes, I have imagined it that, you know, whenever I would walk in his office, I would be wearing like a white sari with, you know, with not really nicely done hair, but somewhere between a little bit of natural and little bit of unkept kind of a thing. So like really long hair and, you know, absolutely minimal makeup and like jhumkis and a red bindi or a black bindi and a white outfit. I'm just manifesting walking like that into his office.
This is like a dream sequence. I'm just imagining this and all.
So walking into his office is like a dream for me. Yeah, truly, truly.
So now when this happens, no, that time we will be playing this clip. And then that audition wala scene, if that video comes out ever, we'll be like,
and in my mind, I'm doing the Gajagamini walk. Ditang, ditang, ding, dagidina, din.
I can imagine. Okay, manifesting this.
Manifesting this, truly. Yeah.
Yes, of course. Okay. I'm going to come back to Taskari, okay? So Imran Hashmi is known to be like a very chill kind of guy.
He is. He absolutely is. Yes.
Okay, tell me more. What is he?
He is so approachable, Alice. I'll tell you. See, you know, the characters like Arjun Meena, his character, my character, and Gujjar, Nandish's character, we had to share a camaraderie because we were officers at the same level in the series. So if he was not approachable, if he had gotten that star quality and, you know, I would only talk to the other co-stars when I'm acting and this and that, then that camaraderie would not have, you know, kind of translated on screen. I remember initially only we had a lot of scenes with him. So I have to give it to him that he was an absolute sweetheart, a gentleman when it came to being on set, being curious about his scenes with us and everything. And, you know, he was joking around, he was doing masti, and with me and Nandish, who are relatively young actors, you know, in front of him. I mean, his filmography has been huge and vast. So for us to feel really comfortable that, you know, we could, you know, kind of put my hand on his shoulder and everything, that had to come from him. That approachability had to come from him, and he was absolutely approachable. He was, matlab, I'm telling you, I've had female makeup artists and hairstylist and all call me, and they were like, listen, we just want to see him. Can we come on the set? I was like, you can't do that, Dave. No, I'll come as your makeup artist. Now, please, yaar, ek bari yaar, photo de de. Ya to phir dekhna hai unko. And huge female fan following. But I think I have to give him the entire credit that, हमारी जो camaraderie है, वो camaraderie इसलिए भी लगी है because he was chill.
Yeah.
So an absolute gentleman to work with, yeah. Absolute.
It's actually like a dream, no? When there's so much like a vibe that is set when you're shooting.
And also he's looking like the character. He's
Yeah.
looking like Arjun Meena, the character. He's
Yeah.
not looking like Imran Hashmi.
Yeah. He's also known to be very witty, no?
Very, Baba. He's Bombay boy, and my God, he's very, very witty. Very witty.
Okay, tell me an incident like that, a very essay.
See, like I'll tell you now, Akka Bollywood ek taraf, Imran Hashmi ek taraf is something that, he is, he's so used to. But he will not be affected by it also, and he will not discard it also. And I think that's a great quality.
Yeah.
The smile, the smirk that he has whenever it comes from the audience, it is a witty smirk. And then he'll give some one-liner and he'll be like, for example, everybody was asking him at this trailer launch that, Are Imran Hashmi hai to kiss scene to hoga,
Yeah.
or love sequence to hoga, वगैरह वगैरह. So he just smiled and he's like, Imran Hashmi hai to kiss hona zaruri nahi hai, lekin love scene na ho, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? So he was very witty and he was
Exactly.
very understated, witty with the janta and
Yeah.
the media and all, and media loves it.
Exactly.
जो one-liners मारते रहते हैं ना, that is really something.
Honestly, I remember this moment because when that question was asked, we were like, oh my God, how? Now, what is he going to say? And then the way he answered,
Yeah.
we were like, oh.
I mean, he accepts it also gracefully. He doesn't deny it, and I
Yes.
think that's such a beautiful space,
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. So I also hear that, because this show, everyone has loved so much,
Yeah.
okay? I have told you that, it's been such a binge that I could not, do without, watching it back to back, right?
Yeah.
I'm sure you've received a lot of these kind of reactions. and
Yes, I
compliments.
have. I mean, at the interviews only, Imran sir said that some of his school friends started watching the first episode and then they had to go out somewhere. But they loved it so much, they cancelled their plans for going out and then they binge watched it.
Wow.
And I was like, oh wow, is this really happening? So it just kept coming as a surprise because people told me that मैं एक ही episode देखने वाला था but यार मैंने पूरी series देख ली. I'm like, oh wow, really? So that entire success, when it starts coming to you, it's a little unbelievable.
Yeah.
In the
Yeah.
start you're like, okay. And I've had friends and I've had people calling me and messaging me from Canada and from UAE and all and telling us that what a show, yeah, we loved it. One night mein humne khatam kar diya and this and that. I'm like, oh wow, great, it's great, yeah. So it was great, yeah.
You were also telling me of an incident where there were these women who came to you to come.
So there were these Rajasthani women with ghungat and all
Hmm.
coming to me, and they kind of lifted the ghungat and they're like, "आपकी तश्करी serial देखी हमने, बहुत अच्छी लगी हमको." And I'm like, "Oh my God, it's amazing, I mean, women who are working around the clock and who are doing their daily chores and everything are getting time to watch Tashkari and serial and all." I'm like, just दिन बंदी ने serial बोला, मैंने कहा okay, now it's reached normal level now.
Yeah. This is like home to home and everything.
It's
But did
great.
you imagine it? Like the first day when this came to you, shooting and all of that, did you guys imagine it
Not
to
at all,
go this
babe.
big?
Not at all. See, everybody hopes for the success secretly. We kind of work towards it. But when it comes this way, like trending at number one globally on Netflix, we never thought, I mean, Neeraj sir, the makers might have thought about it because they've seen and tasted success. But if you ask me, I think after Razi, this is something that, has, and of course, Chandramukhi on a regional level.
Yeah.
But this is what I think tasting success globally, or little in Bollywood kind of seems like.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's amazing.
Like you mentioned, like, Chandramukhi at a regional level just like, broke the internet, like
Yes,
broke records and
yes,
all of
yeah,
that. Till today, people go back to, playing these songs and, doing the hook step and everything. It went
yes,
viral.
yeah,
Even Razi, back then when it
Yeah.
released, okay, everyone imagined it to be a Vicky and an Alia Bhatt
yeah,
film,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
But today, when you look back at the film, each character holds such an important place
Yes.
and had so much of an impact
Yes.
that you remember all of
Yes,
it.
absolutely. And I think the credit goes to the writers and the director. If it's in the script and if it's shot beautifully, just the way it is on the script, I think everybody gets their own due. Like I'm telling you, even the character of Mitali Kamath in Taskari, it was written so well, I didn't have to do anything. And plus, I was getting my own action sequence. It was like getting my own hero entry in the series,
Exactly.
which was like amazing. And this is, see, I have to give full credit to the maker, Neeraj Pandey sir, Raghav, the writers, that they, matlab, without any gender biasness, they gave that approach to Mitali
Yeah.
Kamath, where an Imran Hashmi, who's a custom officer himself,
Yeah.
steps back and says ki ja, maar ke aaja.
Exactly.
That is so empowering. That is so, I felt
Exactly.
so liberal that day.
Yeah.
That was my second day of shooting, and it felt fantastic as a woman. Yeah.
I can imagine, because like how often do you actually have an actress, that people are saying कि हमें ये actress के साथ काम करना और यही action scene करेगी.
Exactly.
How often does that happen?
It just never does. And I
Exactly.
think, कुछ चीजें आपके नसीब में होती है ना, वो
I
आपको
see.
मिलती है. I think Taskari was that role जो मुझे ऐसे लगता है it was written for me and it came to me.
Yeah.
I mean, इससे पहले जिंदगी ठीक ही चल रही थी, लेकिन इसके बाद बढ़िया हो गई है.
Exactly.
That's the thing.
Exactly. So how much of Amruta and Mitali is just like similar? Or,
Very similar,
Yeah.
babe. You know me. I mean, Shravan knows me. I mean, I'm very much like that. मतलब, if you tell me, you know what, ये यहाँ जाना है, कुछ बंदों को मारना है, I'm a chillability वाला factor ना. चल चलते हैं. And then I'll ask you, क्या हुआ baby? Exactly क्या हुआ है? मारने तो चल रहे हैं हम लोग, लेकिन क्या हुआ है? I will ask क्या, क्यों, कहाँ, बाद में. If you tell me, चल, let's do this, I will do it. So a lot of Amruta you can see in that Mitali. And the whole, कि सोचती नहीं है ये कुछ भी करने से पहले. That is Amruta.
Let's go to your other show,
Yeah.
okay, which is also getting a lot of love.
Yes,
okay,
yes.
Space Chandrayaan. Okay, how did that come to you? How did that project come to you?
So TVF के साथ मैंने पहले भी काम किया था. गर्लियापा के लिए उनके साथ कुछ किया था मैंने. But again, a casting director, Shivam Gupta, I think. Yeah. He casted me for this role. And it is very similar to the other roles that I've played on screen. It's a, little demure and, housewife ka role hai. She's also a teacher, but her main key, kya kehte hai wo? Key traits of the character are कि she's a supportive wife and वो एक scientist की life कितनी ज़्यादा stressful होती है and how much the household is responsible for keeping him calm and this and that, and she is a support system to him. तो ये characters मैंने पहले play किए हैं. So it was not very difficult for me. Again, the character was written very well, and there was a lot of research that had gone into the whole ISRO bit of it. And whenever I used to read it, I used to read 4 pages पहले क्या हुआ है, उसके बाद क्या होगा. And I used to be like, oh my god, ये ISRO scientist लोगों की कहानी कितनी difficult है यार. मतलब 0.0001% miscalculation भी उनके लिए it's not there. That little point of error is also not allowed to them.
Yeah.
कितना stress में है यार ये लोग. मतलब तो मुझे ना अपने आप ही मतलब बुरा लगता था उनके लिए. So whenever me and Nakul used to have this scene, I used to feel like, yaar, I'm feeling bad for you as a character only, yaar. So that empathy used to come any which ways.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was a fun shoot, yaar. TVF के साथ shoot करना, and the way their storytelling is, it's so completely different from Neeraj sir's storytelling.
Yeah.
So I enjoyed doing both of them, yeah.
How was your experience working with Nakul?
Oh, very good. Nakul knows Himanshu very, very well.
Yeah.
They had these dancing days, early dancing days together and everything. And Nakul as an actor is absolutely sorted, absolutely secure. And he only enhances your character. He only enhances your lines. Like there is this one scene जो बहुत ज़्यादा वायरल जा रहा है जहाँ पे मैं उसको सपोर्ट मतलब कि तुम्हें याद है तुमने मुझे कैसे पटाया था
yeah,
and
this scene,
everything
yeah.
and he's like yeah you were harder to crack and see these are very relatable dialogues
Yeah.
जो I'm sure that आप अपने husband के साथ कभी भी you reminisce करते हैं ना हम लोग कि तुमको पता है तुमने मुझे कैसे पटाया था वगैरह वगैरह. So that warmth is there and as an actor there's that mutual respect. So yeah, it was great fun working with him.
Absolutely. I'm going to take you back in time, okay, when you had just entered the industry, and one of the films that you did was Mumbai Salsa.
Yeah.
That was like eons of years
Oh
ago.
God, such a 18-year-old Amrita, my God, that was. Veer Das was there in that film.
Exactly.
Manjari, Fadnis, yeah. And my God, so many people. We were all these young teenagers, yeah. And Vikram Bhatt was the producer for it, and Manoj sir was, I think, he was a national award-winning writer at that point of time. He had written Page 3 or something. I don't remember really, and he was directing the film. So yeah, we all teenagers, we were brought together and we did that film, and yeah, it did not do very well, but yeah, whatever.
No, but I mean, for a person who's come in a reality show with big dreams,
Yeah,
to get that one entry in the industry also
absolutely
means a lot. Right? And I'll tell you the
Absolutely.
one thing that I noticed, okay, in that character, okay, your character's name was Neha, if I'm not
Yeah,
wrong.
Neha, yeah.
Neha from Mumbai Salsa, and now, in Taskari also, like Mithali Kamat, there is just Amrita all over these characters. So you are not like, chalo, ye character, I'll play this. I'm like, nee, I'll make this character mine and
Yeah.
I will play it. That is
Yeah.
a trait that I have noticed.
Yeah,
over
because
the
I
years.
think if you don't make it yours, there is always that little gap between you and the character. That shouldn't be the thing.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're picking up a glass, it should look like the character is picking up the glass.
Yeah.
Now, if I'm picking up this glass for 20, 40 years like this only, I need to bring little bit of Mithali into it now, So I think the character needs to be relatable to you first, and then it is relatable to the audience.
Yeah.
If you don't put, and I think, wo kehta hai na ki, a character gives you something that you take home, and you give the character something that the character also kind of shapes up like you. So I think that is something that I've learned over the years, that there has to be that merger between you and the character. You have to find certain line or certain trait or a quality that you can, together you can walk hand in hand.
What is one difficult learning that you've had as an actor over the years?
I think I've gotten better at it, that you should not take your success and failure too seriously. Initially, I used to take my failures very, very seriously, and it has only made my life miserable. Nights of crying, and then, health issues and this and that. But today I take it with a pinch of salt. Like, even when Taskari is done well, I am still calling casting directors up and I'm telling them, please watch my work. And if there is any audition coming, please let me know. If people come to me that they've liked my work, and, I'm just grateful for it. So I think what I've really learned as an actor, that you have to keep at it consistently.
Yeah.
No matter the success, no matter the failure, you have to keep at it. Yeah.
I also know you as a very religious person.
Yeah.
Okay. In this entire journey, I strongly feel that side of you, that, that when things have not gone your way, or you were completely lost, like I saw it one of the interviews also where you mentioned around the time of COVID, where you just felt like all doors are shutting on you.
Yeah, right? Truly.
And then you moved and you were just like, Swami will.
Of course. Even today, I believe that. And because I have that utmost faith in some energy, in some power that is bigger than all of us. Otherwise, why I would be casted in a 25, 30-day role and not a 4-day role? There is something working beyond us. There is something working beyond our efforts, beyond anything. And it is an unseen power. And I've always believed in that. And I like to give it a name so that, all my energies, be it doubts, be it fears, be it good energy, bad energy, whatever, is directed towards that.
Yeah.
You need a certain vent out where you just, you just give it everything.
Yeah.
And you cannot burden that with all these things, you cannot burden a person or a partner or a friend. They are only human.
Yes.
So you need that little higher power where you just, dump everything.
Yeah.
Your
Surrender.
traits and your anger and your suppression and your depression and anxiety and happiness and gratefulness and everything.
Yeah.
So for me, that is Swami Samartha is that higher power.
Absolutely. Growing up, how was the whole religion aspect introduced to you?
It wasn't introduced to me by my parents. It, in fact, I would say it was a call from him only. Matlab, I've stayed in Lokhandwala for the longest period of my time. But it was only some shift had happened, and I just thought, this mandir has been here forever. Let me just go and, just go and pray. I don't know what happened that point of time. I was like praying, and I started going every day. And it just kept giving me power. It just kept telling me to move on.
Yeah.
Go. Just go. Keep walking. And whatever I used to, there are times where I don't even remember that, I've gone to the temple and I've come back.
Wow.
I just made it a habit to walk, to do that pradakshina, to go, to just, and nothing. I don't believe in taking anything to the temple. उसी ने दिया है, भाई उसी को क्या वापस करेंगे हम लोग, I've done this कि Tuesdays को I've gone to Siddhi Vinayak, and I've just seen the murti, I've just bowed down to him and I've come back. Like my puja is just as simple as this. But there was some shift, and I don't even remember it today. But it happened and it changed my life. Yeah.
Absolutely. I think everyone has their own way of doing their form of worship or praying and all. And you figured yours out that way.
Truly.
Your mama is a very important part of your life. And I know she is an absolute rock star.
That she is.
Yeah. I mean, when I watch her even on vacations and everything, like that one video where she's with a snake and all of that, I'm just like, Mama, see this.
I mean... And she like, le lo, pakdo. Maine kaha, Mummy, are you selling bananas or what? It's a snake. No, she's at 65 holding a snake and...
Yeah, so if you guys think that, Amruta is badass,
yeah, please meet my mom.
Yeah, exactly. But, okay, tell me one thing. What is the one thing that, your mama told you? See,
she's never told me anything as such, but I think today... she's at 65 right now. I think what I can say is I've learned a lot observing her in life. Like even today, I was sitting in front of somebody and I was saying this, that our moms are the strongest people I think we'll ever meet. And every mom on this planet Earth, it's because they have taught their children through action. Like my mom has taught me how to keep going and keep having a smile on her face no matter what. I've seen her go through times where we didn't have money to buy a carton of milk. I've seen her right now handling 4 houses. I have 2 houses in Lokhandwala right now. I have a Goregaon house and my sister's house in Dubai, my sister's house in Mumbai. And she is managing that everything on phone. हाँ बोल, इधर से वो कर, उधर से वो कर. Then she's also managing the 2 kids that my sister has. अच्छा इसका ये फुटबॉल का क्या हुआ? अच्छा did you take him for the drum class? अच्छा I'm sending this for Nirvan, just give him at night. I'm like, what is she doing? She's like a dawn on the phone.
I was just gonna say.
She's like a dawn, and she's got 2 phones. Even I don't have 2 phones. Even I don't have 2 phones. She's got 2 iPhones. हाँ बेटा, हाँ बोल ये वो, हाँ बेटा, हाँ. अरे ये कौन है भाई? ये कौन है mother dawn? But yeah, she's taught me that, everything that you go through life, you have to have a smile on your face.
Yeah.
Nothing is too big that cannot be handled, and nothing is too small to ignore it.
I know that the way you guys have grown over the years together, it's only love.
Yeah.
And I don't see...
And a lot of fighting.
Yeah. But see, that is so with every mother-daughter.
So me and my mom, when we fight, people will feel that, my God, she's so rude to her mother. But I'm telling you, it's like two friends fighting.
Exactly.
It's like two friends fighting. अरे तुला कळत नाही काय? अरे, and I'm shouting at her, huh?
Hmm.
And she also doesn't feel anything. She's like, no. If there is anybody who can do this with me, it's only my elder daughter, not even younger, the elder daughter.
But that is a fact. Like if you've ever seen if anybody sees the both of y'all are like besties, okay?
Yeah, besties.
And then all of us are just trying to be like, hi, we are also like one. Okay, last one. Okay, before I actually let you go, because now this conversation was so positive, okay, and this year has started on such a great note, okay. That's just a manifestation for this year, okay. What is your manifestation for this?
The one I told you, Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali,
that
sir.
was happening. Chalo,
yeah,
done,
that
done.
is so happening, and that should happen. God, please, Swami, please. The next manifestation that I want to really do is, wow. So right now I'm very, very happy in the house that I've took, but I really want like a sea-facing house, and I really want because the sea calms me like anything. I'm a water baby. I love water, and it can be anywhere. I'm not saying ki Bombay mein hi chahiye, Mumbai mein hi chahiye. It can be anywhere, but I want a little water body kind of a house happening for myself.
Yes.
And then what is it? Then doing great work. Yeah, I want to work with Vikramaditya Motwane sir. I want to work with so many directors. And if I want to manifest really like into the universe and all, then one international project I would want to do. Yeah, that would be great. That would be great. I love the way they work, and there's workshop and this and that.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean it's great fun. Yeah.
So because we are just thinking big, okay. We're just going to put a lot of positive energy to this. We're just going to be like, universe, just make this come true.
Please.
Yes. Okay, well, thank you so much,
Thank you
Amrita,
so much,
for chatting
baby.
with
Thank
me.
you.
And all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Sending you only good vibes here.
Hi guys, this is Amrita Khanvilkar, and you are watching me with Alice only on Mamarazzi.